thanks for tuning in. It may get a little loud. I want to turn down your audio, but we're doing a PS5 HDMI port placement. Port prep. Let's go ahead and dig in. That displacement though, woo! Much better. It's somehow worse on the heatsink, and it was really packed with dirt and dust. It's like a mirror. Nice. Well, I'm getting bombarded, everything's falling apart, and it didn't work, so we're gonna have to double back, do the tweezer test. I luckily missed a pin. But either way, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. New videos dropped every Sunday. Store open, memberships available. Ready to rock.